We often hear this idea. People who get better grades in school will be more successful in life. But, is this really true? Good grades are important. They show that you work hard and understand your lessons. They can help you get into good schools or jobs. But does this mean that only people with high grades can succeed? Success is more than grades. It's about being kind, creative, and able to solve problems. It's about how you handle challenges and work with others. Many successful people didn't have perfect grades. For example, Steve Jobs, the man behind Apple, dropped out of college, but his ideas changed the world. Albert Einstein, one of the smartest people ever, wasn't great in school either. This shows us the success comes from more than just school performance. It comes from hard work, passion, and learning from failures. So yes, study hard and aim for good grades, but don't forget to build other skills too. Be curious, brave, and willing to try new things. Success isn't just about being the best in school, it's about being the best version of yourself.
Sa inyo, bulol lang ko eh.
Great.
Ba't ganon?
With high grades can succeed.
As this na. Nakalimutan ko yung ano ka man.
Nasabi ko
ba? Ba't ang niche? Ay,
Ako ma-excited din sa... Okay, diyan ka.
what's that? I'm learning.
Lalakad ka!
Albert Einstein.